Welcome everybody in Python programming online class. Today you are going to learn sequence. A Python sequence is an ordered collection of items where each item is indexed by an integer. So what did you understand by sequence? Sequence general meaning is what? Sequence is ordered collection of items. Sequence means ordered collection of items and it is indexed by an integer. The three types of sequence data types available in Python are: first one is strings, lists and tuples. First one is strings, second is list and third one is tuples. We will learn about each of them in detail in later chapters. A brief introduction to these data types is as follows. Just come to the string. What is string? A string is a group of characters. A string is a group of characters. These characters may be alphabets, digits or special characters. Includes spaces. Strings values are enclosed either a single quotation marks. Example, hello. Hello is a string, that's why it is enclosed by single quotation marks, or in double quotation marks. Example, hello. Hello is enclosed with double quotation marks. Both are strings. The quotation or the quotes are not a part of the string. They are used to mark the beginning and ending of the string for the interpreter. For example, str is a variable and it is storing a word or two words: hello friends. These single quotes are passing a message to the Python interpreter that hello friend is a string. Another string is str2 and it is storing 452. Why I am saying 452? It is not a number. It is stored as a string or a word. It has no numerical value. We cannot perform numerical operation on strings. See, this 452 is declared as a string, so we will not be able to perform any numerical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Even when the string contains a numeric value as in str2. Why we are not able to perform numerical operation? Because str2 is declared as a string. Another data type is list. How will you define a list? List is a sequence of items separated by commas. So list items are separated by commas. Note it down. And the items are enclosed in square brackets. Example 5.4. To create a list, list 1 equal to 5, comma 3.4, comma New Delhi, comma 20C, 45. So this is a example of list 1. It is storing various types of data like integer, float, string, etc. and numeric data also. Print the elements of the list 1. Print list 1. Then it prints the item stored in a list. Tuple. Another data type is tuple. Tuple is a sequence of items separated by commas and items are enclosed in parenthesis. This is unlike list, where values are enclosed in brackets. Once created, we can change the tuple. So what is the difference between list and tuple? You make the list inside a square bracket, but you create the tuple inside the parenthesis. This is the difference. Another difference, once tuple is created, you can change it. This is another important difference. Now we take example 5.5. Create a tuple 1. Tuple 1 equal to, here values are assigned inside the parenthesis 10, 20, apple 3.4a. Print the elements of the tuple 1, print tuple 1, 10, 20, apple 3.4a. So students, I explained various data types. I hope you have understood. So subscribe the channel to get the notification of my incoming or upcoming videos. Share the video with your friends so that he can learn Python programming free of cost, and like the video. Visit the website for regular updates and keep reading my regular blog posting, so you may be get updated for syllabus, question papers, and well preparation guidance of computer science and informatics practice. Thank you very much for watching the video. We will meet on our next online class. Thank you very much.